Welcome to our today's video. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the application of OMEGA Butyl Tape in resealing automobile headlights. The use of OMEGA Brand Butyl Tapes in between the casing and the lens of automobile headlights prevents dust and moisture from entering the light of your cars. Once you have opened the headlight and before you reseal it, please ensure that you clean the channel of the casing for all the original sealant that was there. This can be a little lengthy, taking maybe up to a few hours, but it is worth the effort. Removing the original sealant properly will avoid formation of any air bubbles and will prevent the moisture from entering the headlight. Once we are ready to reseal our headlights, we will get our automobile grade OMEGA Butyl tape and start resealing our headlight. To get started with the resealing process, take OMEGA Butyl tape and start inserting inside the channel as you go all around the headlight. It is recommended to press the butyl tape inside properly. As OMEGA Butyl tape is flexible, you can stretch the butyl tape if the headlight channels are thinner. Keep pressing the butyl tape as you go so that the headlight channels are completely filled with butyl. This will ensure that you get an airtight moisture-proof headlight reseal. You may also want to heat the butyl so that you get a uniform, pliable butyl seal. Now place the lens on top of the housing and press it firmly into the channel to get a good seal all the way around. Now add the metal screws to make sure that the lens and housing stay firmly together. Finally, clamp everything together and keep it for some time, preferably in a warm chamber, so as to ensure a tight seal. That's it. Now you have a nice weather tight seal for years to come.